At Granada Hills Charter, the health and safety of everyone on our 2 campuses is of utmost importance. In keeping with official health and safety guidelines, everyone on campus must participate in weekly COVID-19 testing. You've likely taken a COVID-19 test before, but there are a few additional steps you'll need to take as we take every precaution. First, pick up an individual testing kit in your classroom. Teachers may ask you to pick up your own test, or they may pass them out to you and your peers. Second, teachers will pass out a sheet containing barcode labels associated with your name. Third, find your name and barcode. Peel off your label and place it on the outside of your testing bag. When you're ready, complete your COVID-19 test following these instructions. Keeping your mask on, pull down your mask below your nose, but leave your mouth covered. Remove the swab from its wrapper. Place the swab about an inch into your nostril and swab in a circular motion for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this action for the other nostril. Place the swab in the test tube and break off the excess handle at the perforated edge. Replace the cap by screwing the lid tight. Place the test tube in the testing bag with your name and barcode label on the bag. Seal the bag shut while pushing the air from the bag. Throw the opened wrapper for the swab and any other trash in the trash can. Drop the completed test bag in the red trash can. School staff will pick up the tests and disinfect each classroom's red trash can after each use. Teachers will place any unused barcodes and test kits in a large bag and return them to the main office by the end of the day. That's it! You've successfully completed the COVID-19 testing requirements for Granada Hills Charter.